Hi guys, welcome to our channel Snehal and Shikha Vlogs. I'm Snehal. You must be wondering where is Shikha? She is not here. I was just editing this vlog and I noticed we forgot to shoot intro. So I just wanted to do a quick intro video for this vlog. By the title of the vlog you must have guessed that Shikha is visiting me. We have a fun weekend plan. And yeah, welcome to our channel. I hope you enjoy this vlog and let's go.
हेलो मैं चली स्नेहल के घर। मैं रेडी हो चुकी हूँ, मेरे बैग्स भी पैक्ड है एंड आई एम गोना टेक द ट्रेन टू गो टू स्नेहल्स हाउस। सो कम विद मी टू माय बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स होम।
Hello, hi, good morning everyone. I am running so late. Wasn't planning to start the vlog like that. But Shikha is coming to visit me, which is so exciting. I'm gonna go. She's coming by train, so I'm gonna go quickly pick her up. Walk into the train station. It's 15 minutes away. And if I have timed it well, I'll be there right when her train arrives. So good luck to me. Hope I'm not late. But let's go. Okay, so my timing couldn't have been perfect because look at that, the train just got here. I just got here, so I'm gonna just wait for Shika. I told her to come meet me at the bookstore coffee shop, so I'm just gonna wait. Look who is here. Okay, so we made a quick stop. I mean, we were gonna come here. I was gonna come here to get my coffee. This is my favorite place to get the coffee. So I brought my best friend here because literally, if I know something, I have to show it to her. If I like something, I need to show it to her. So we secured our coffees and we are walking home now. It's such a beautiful day.
I know it's so
Nice and sunny. It was supposed to rain today, but
we got lucky.
we got lucky. तो बारिश नहीं हो रही है.
होनी भी नहीं
तो-
चाहिए, तो आज बाहर जा सकते हैं।
Exactly. We can go out and do more things. But yeah, we're just walking home now. We're gonna go home, eat something. I'm very hungry. And empty stomach coffee. Not a good combo. But it's quite windy today. But I don't mind, unless the sun is out. First things first, I just got back from Japan from my honeymoon. And I got so many things for Shika.
I'm
And
excited.
they're all in this bag. So I'm gonna give it to her. But we're really excited. Let's see what she thinks.
Kit Kat.
Of
First
course.
things first. Matcha
course.
latte and
Just
is
matcha.
the Sakura or
No,
matcha?
this is the Sakura one, and
Oh.
that's the
Sunscreen.
Yes, the
consistency is like
Yeah.
soft and cute. Oh, what is this? It's a keychain.
what is that? Yes, it's a keychain.
Let's see, what is this? Hair mask.
It's a hair mask. Before I went there, I was
Chopsticks?
like, yes, chopsticks for you and
Yay.
Cam.
Yay.
Well, I think it's whatever you want.
And socks.
Yes.
Thank you so much. Snehal is making मैगी। स्नेहल बहुत मस्त मैगी बनाती है। एंड हम लोग जब भी स्कूल कॉलेज डेज में थे तो एक दूसरे के घर पे जाके मैगी बना के खाते थे, राइट?
was the only thing I could cook.
या शाम का हमने पूरा मेन्यू डिसाइड करके रखा है, तो मे बी जब बनाएंगे तभी बताते हैं। We can tell now.
So, because India में Gudi Padwa and all like बहुत festive season
Yes.
चालू था, and then we didn't have time to do anything together. So this weekend मैंने सोचा कि एक मस्त ऐसे मराठी थाली types बनाते with some Marwadi twist in it. गट्टे की सब्जी also, so a little Maharashtrian and Rajasthani thali. That's what's we are gonna do for the evening. So for now we are gonna do Maggie, chill, enjoy, watch TV, and just yap. Yap shouldn't stop. Clock it. Excited, we gotta be patient.
Yes.
This is the part I really hate. When
The
it takes,
patience.
like, because it takes more than 2 minutes.
या
Time to serve. I think you're saying so excited after every single. Don't come at me for serving this weirdly, because what the hell is that? बट शिका को थोड़ी शाइनिंग मारनी थी इसलिए वो चॉपस्टिक से खा रही हूँ मैं.
Fancy.
Yeah, but let's do a taste test. It's really hot, so I'm gonna wait. I will let you try क्योंकि खुद की तारीफ मैं कर नहीं सकती.
कर सकती है.
How is it?
Nostalgia.
It's good.
So good. So freaking good. See, perfect everything. Love it. Now you try it yourself as well.
I think it's good. No. No one has to watch me eat like that, but it's good.
It's really good.
All right, we are gonna go finish this, watch something, but see you in a bit. Hello. So we are out. We were thinking to go on a little walk since the weather is perfect.
It's windy, but it's so nice.
बहुत हवा चल रही है आज, but it is really pretty. So शायद हम पार्क में जाएंगे and then देखते हैं वहाँ क्या करना है क्या नहीं. We don't have any definite plan. We're just going.
Walk around,
Yeah,
maybe.
just walk around, check out things or whatever. Yeah, chill. So every time Shika comes over, we hang out at this park because it is so beautiful. Mostly in summer क्योंकि weather इतना मस्त होता है यहाँ पे सब लोग पिकनिक करने आते हैं.
But today we got lucky because the weather's nice.
Yes. But yeah, मेरे घर से like it's a 10 minutes walk and it's really pretty and accessible. So this is one of the places I really enjoy my time. And Shika also likes this park.
I do. It's a lovely park. So we are home now. Yay!
It was a good walk.
It was a good walk.
I completed my 10k steps.
I need
so
to check if I did.
I was walking around the house this morning, so probably that's why.
Yeah. We also stopped at this cute little store called Windy's.
But we're gonna show you what we got.
So I got this hibiscus tea. It's like loose tea powders, hibiscus flower,
Herbal tea.
herbal tea. I love hibiscus tea. And I got some of this like candy. It's like Swedish fish candy. So what you got?
Oh yeah, and I got
It's a jam.
what did I get? Oh, strawberry bay jam. And the most interesting thing we got is this waffle. Look how gorgeous that looks. Be right back. We're gonna
Devour this.
devour this and see you soon.
Simplistic view of men and women. That's very American. That's literally why I'm here. To bring an American.
Hello. So we are finally in kitchen. Cooking चालू कर दी है हमने. What are you making, Shika?
So I'm making gatte ki sabji, but it has paneer stuffed in it, so it's like with a twist.
Yes, protein. We are protein girlies now. So वो बना रही है गट्टे की सब्जी. मैं बनाने वाली हूँ potato की सब्जी, बटाटे की भाजी. So potatoes are right there. Over here, तेल गरम हो रहा है क्योंकि हम बना रहे हैं मूंग दाल भजिया. Like who does not like that? So really excited for that. So I'm just waiting for the oil to heat up and then I can start making my bhajiyas. And then everything else is gonna just like come together. हम लोग यहाँ 5 बजे से
5 बजे में चालू किया है and it's 6:30 already. And हमने कुछ किया ही नहीं है.
I mean हम लोग ने किया है but हमारी technical difficulties इतनी आ रही थी हमारे project में.
It's still the start.
It's still the start, but सब हो रहा है यहाँ पे. Cooking हो रही है, बातें हो रही है, सब हो रही है, चुगली हो रही है, everything.
Glass फोड़ दिया.
मेरे हाथ से यहाँ पे ग्लास गिर गया, so sink में वो फूट गया. Thankfully किसी को लगा नहीं. But when we are together, we are very chaotic. You're gonna see what we made in like 3, 2, 1. Boom. And ta-da! Yeah, look at that. इसको बनाने में पूरे 3 घंटे लगे.
3 hours.
We're gonna go quickly eat now. Our mehnat ka phal is literally here.
Should we record our review?
Oh yeah, we should do that, right? तरामिया तो ट्राई करना रहा हो तो हम सब ट्राई करेंगे कैसे कैसे बना है. So the first thing I am going for is the गट्टे की सब्जी.
It's really good.
मसाला लगा
छान है.
जाम भारी झालंय
ना?
जेन्युइनली नॅचरल. हा
एकच गोष्ट बनवली आहे मी तर चांगलं तर झालंच पाहिजे.
खरंच
बाकी
आहे.
सगळं तू बनवलंय.
गट्टे की सब्जीसाठी 100 on 10. आता आपण ट्राय करणार आहोत
भजी.
भजी, मूग डाळीची भजी.
छान. हे आम्ही खूप आधी बनवलं, थंड झालंय पण छान लागतंय.
गरम गरम भाजून जास्त चांगलं लागलं.
ठीक आहे काय.
नेक्स्ट आता आपण ट्राय करणार आहोत बटाट्याची भाजी. पोकर फेस मी काय नाही बनवणार.
मला माहिती आहे एक नंबरच असणार आहे. परफेक्शन.
रेडीमेड पुरणपोळी आहे. बनवली असते स्क्रॅचपासून, बट स्टोअरमध्ये होती तर मी घेऊन आली. सो
आणि आपण एवढं बनवायला आपल्याला 3 तास लागले. पुरणपोळी असते तर आपल्याला सकाळपासून लागलं असतं. मी फक्त असंच ट्राय करते आधी.
दीप पुरणपोळीवाल्यांना रिव्ह्यू.
इट्स गुड, पण मला ना हे खूप थिक वाटतंय.
म्हणजे आय डोंट थिंक सो इंडियासारखी लागेल आपली जशी पुरणपोळी.
Fresh.
त्याची अजिबात
तशी नाही obviously.
फ्रोझन आहे. पण याला आम्ही ट्राय करणार आहे आमरस सोबत. सो आमरस के साथ देखते हैं कैसा लगता है.
काय आमरस बनवलाय. वा, तृप्त झालं एकदम.
आमरस मस्त बनवलाय. तो पण थोडासा चिटिंग करून बनवलाय, पण त्याच्यामध्ये मेहनत लागली आहे. पुरणपोळीपेक्षा जास्त मेहनत लगी है उसमें.
ऑब्विसली चीटिंग नाहीये, फक्त आम्ही पल्प आणला आणि त्याचं आम्ही बनवलं. कारण इथे आंबे जे भेटतात ते इंडियासारखे नसतात.
ते काहीतरी भलतच झालं. सो मस्त जेवण खूप मस्त बनलाय. आम्ही आता खाणार आहे.
आता एन्जॉय करूया.
एंड तुम लोग से हम थोड़ी देर में बात करेंगे. भाई लैंग्वेज स्विचिंग माझी.
I'm so full.
I am so full. Cannot even move. I feel like I ate so much.
पेट फट रहा है लिटरली.
लिटरली फट रहा है. शिखा वहाँ पे खड़ी थी, बोलती है बहुत ज़्यादा खा लिया, मुझे थोड़ा खड़ा होना है अभी.
Yeah, I think we're gonna end the vlog here because we don't want it to be like so
Super long.
Please like, share, and subscribe.
And thank you so much for watching. We love you guys so much.
Thank you.
And keep supporting.
Keep supporting. We will come back with more stuff for you guys.
Yes.
Bye.
Bye.